Hello friends, my name is Ram and today discussion topic is contaminants in Java. So contaminants is a concept related to relationship between classes. So today topic we discuss the relationship between classes. So there are two main types of relationship between classes. So first that is inheritance or inheritance represent the is a relationship and another is the association. An association represent the has a relationship or association is also there are two ways or divided in two ways, that is aggregation and composition. In aggregation is also weak bonding and in composition is a strong bonding. So we can discuss in explain some so let's first the how can achieve the relationship between classes. So there are some advantages of uh, relationship between classes. The first is the code reusability. So code reusability means suppose we can write two classes, class A and class B, and we can B class extend by A classes. So we can use all the required properties or data or declaring variable A. So in class B, so that's why we can use the all data in class B. So this is code reusability. So another advantage is cost cutting. So cost cutting means suppose for example real world example, suppose I can purchase a new phone and we can use, and then after use we can so down the charging. So after down charging we can can't purchase the another new phone, we can recharging again and we can use. So that's why same thing will happen in programming. So that's why we can cost cutting is also advantage of relationship between two classes. And last advantage is redundancy. Reduce redundancy means so we can remove the unwanted data and declare variables method. So that's why we can also reduce the redundancy. So next we can explain the inheritance and association. So both are the relationship. First relationship is a relationship. So is a relationship. So inheritance is a mechanism in which acquire all the properties and behavior to the parent's objects. For example, we can create two classes. Suppose class engine and another is a class car. So class car extend the engine. So class car is a child object or the child class, and engine is a parents class. So in that we can maintain the is a relationship, like car is a engine, so we can maintain the is a relationship. Or inheritance is achieved by using extend keyword, or it's also say that is a tight coupling, because in between two classes relationship is a tight, because we can extend one class to another class. Like suppose we can change one class, we can changes in any first class parent class, that's impact in another class. That's why it's a tight coupling. Or it's also say the blood relationship, it's maintain blood relationship. And another is a like association. In association is a has a relationship. uh, for example, suppose we can create the student class, and in student class stop for a minute. In association we can represent the has a relationship. For example, we can create one class like student class, and in student class we declare two variables, that is string name and int roll number, and that's the maintain relationship. Like suppose student has a name and student has a roll number. This relationship is a association or has a relationship. And this we can achieve the directly has a relationship, or another way we can achieve the association or has a relationship by using a new keyword. In that case we can create the object. Suppose we can two classes, that is engine and car. Engine one class and car one class. So car class, we can create the engine class objects in car class. Suppose engine E is equal to new engine. So in that case, we can all use the engine properties and behavior in car class. That's why it's maintain the does not tight coupling, or we can non-tight coupling, or also maintain the relationship is a non-blood relationship. So because we can any changes in engine class, it doesn't you have don't impact in another class. That's why the non-tight coupling relationship maintain in association. So next point is to next point is to next point is the aggregation and composition. In aggregation, we can maintain the relationship between two classes, that is weak bonding. So for example, that is car and music player. These are the two classes, car and music player. The car and music player, because music player is a different existence, because we doesn't impact. Like suppose you are not present in car music player, you are not present in a music player car, so you doesn't impact. That's why we can also run the car. Or you can car you doesn't play the music player, so is not effect, we can easily run the car. So this is weak bonding. And aggregation. And another is the composition. In composition, the relationship between two classes, that is strong bonding. Because suppose for example two classes, that is car and engine. So car and engine is a strong relationship, because one it depends on another. Like suppose in car is not present the engine, so is car not be run. So this is strong bonding relationship. So this is all about your relationship between classes. So thank